Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete transfer history in Remitly. First, log into your account and here is transfer history. Simply click on it, and in this window you will find all transfer in all progress and delivery section, where you can find all the transaction that you have made or in progress is gathered in. And from here you can't actually delete any transfer history, or you can delete all the transfer history. You only can do that, you have to go to settings, and in the profile section you only can do is close your account and reopen your account with a new email account, and register for a new account, then verify your new account. Then that's how you can get a new payment history if you want to delete your previous payment history. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.